welcome to our channel Gainyourcode. Here you can find all the tutorial videos related to computer science and engineering, and you can complete your whole course of computer science and engineering staying at your home. So today our discussion is about computer networks. So whenever we want to discuss something about computer network, the first thing that we need to know is data. What is data? Actually, data is, we can say, suppose data can be a message, data can be any value, data can be any concept, as well as data can be any instruction. So anything, everything we will call as data which has some meaningful value. So what is data? Now we know. Then after knowing data, the next thing that comes to our mind is data communication. So what is data communication? Data communication means, suppose a sender, or suppose I want to send some message, I want to convey some information to one of my friend. So here what happens? I am the sender, my friend is a receiver. So whenever I am sending a message from my computer or my system to my friend who is the extended receiver, a communication is happening between us. That means a communication is taking place between me and my friend. This communication is known as data communication. In other words, we can say that some valuable communication between a sender and its extended receiver. Then this is called data communication. So after we have some knowledge about data communication, then another thing that comes to a question, that is every message which is sent to the receiver by the sender, is it a data communication? No. To know if a message sent to the receiver is a successful data communication, we need to consider some points if the message follows it or not. So what is that? That is called features of data communication. So features of data communication basically helps us to determine if a message communication between the sender and the receiver is successful or not. So what is that? So features of data communication. To determine that a message is successfully transmitted to the receiver, we must follow that if the message have followed these three steps. The first step is accuracy and consistency. Second one is timeliness, and the third one is message delivery. So what is accuracy and what is consistency? Suppose you want to send a message to your friend which is computer network. So when you are sending these words to your friend, this is computer network. But whenever your friend is receiving the message, he can see that there is a written comp, then U is not there, T is not there, ER is there. Then network, there is NE, WOT is not there, RK. Your friend is receiving this. What do you think? Have your friend received that message which you have wanted to send to your friend? No. That means the message that your friend have received is not accurate, and the words that you have sent to your friend, they are not consistent. Some words in between the some letters in between the words have missed somehow by the medium. So this is not a successful transmission of message. So whenever you are sending a message to your friend, you must to your friend at 12:30, and your friend is receiving this message at 5:30. Your friend went to the class. He was awaiting for the faculty member to come to the class and conduct the class. Then no one was present. So is there any use of this information that you have sent to your friend? Obviously no. If you are sending the message at 12:30, then your friend should receive this message instantly at 3:30 and in between. Whenever he is receiving these messages at 5:30, this is of no use. So you must assure that the message the sender wants to send to his receiver, it should be delivered to the receiver within the expected time frame. This is defined by the word timeliness. So after assuring the accuracy and consistency and assuring the timeliness that the message you have sent to your friend, he have received the actual message as well as he have received the message within the expected time frame, then another thing comes, that is message delivery. Message delivery basically denotes all the aspects that the message is delivered successfully to your friend. Actually, it ensures that you wanted to send some message, that means a sender wanted to send some message and it was delivered to the intended receiver without any problem. The receiver have received the data. So after assuring all the three steps, accuracy and consistency, timeliness and message delivery, we can claim that the data communication between the sender and the receiver was successful.